Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Akif with Akif CPA, and today we'll be discussing making Roth contributions with foreign earned income. Can you do this with income that is being earned outside of the United States? Can you do this? Because Roth contributions are all post-tax. That means these are not deductible on your tax return. Any earnings that you get in that Roth account is, of course, all growing tax-free when you take out that money. So can you make that contributions or not? That's the key question here. So we'll be going through what is foreign earned income, first of all. Secondly, a lot of people who earn foreign income are taking either FEIE, which is foreign earned income exclusion, or foreign tax credit. So you have two options. You take FEIE or you take FTC, and then in those two options lies the answer: are you eligible to make the Roth contributions or not? So let's get into the details. I'm going to share my screen with you. We'll talk about what is foreign income, and then we'll talk about what happens when you take FEIE and what happens when you take FTC, and when do you become eligible to make contributions to your Roth account. So let me share my screen with you. All right. So let's see, share. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can zoom in. Okay, so let's get started. So what is foreign earned income? All right, that's number one. So because we have to know, we must know what is foreign earned income in order for us to say, do we qualify or not? So foreign earned income is a salary, wages, fees, retainers. That means technically, Schedule C income too. Any professional services while living abroad in a foreign country. Again, is considered foreign income. So salary, wages, fees, commissions, retainers, professional services. If you are doing business abroad through Schedule C, that means sole proprietorship. This is all considered foreign earned income. And then what it does not include, that's number one. So it does not include military or employment by the U.S. government. Again, payments for relevant tax year, pensions, Social Security benefits, food, lodging, housing allowances. These are not considered foreign earned income. So the foreign income technically is anything that you do to earn physically. Not so. Also, any passive income will not be considered part of it, because this is not considered when you're making Roth contributions or IRA contributions. So it must be employment income, right? So it must be salary, wages, a contractor, commission, you name it. That's considered foreign income. So that's number one. So when you have foreign income, of course, it depends what country you're living in. So for example, if you're living in Canada or if you're living in Europe, your taxes most likely will be higher, depending on your income too. So a lot of people are in different situations. This is not a one-size-fit-all kind of answer. So a lot of people will be, if you're earning a less than, let's say for example, 130,000 for 2024, you can take FEIE. That means up to 140,000. This amount will not be, if the number for FEIE for 2024 is 140,000, you will not be able to, or 130,000, you'll not be able to, you won't be paying any tax because you can take FEIE. FEIE technically means you've been out of the country more than 330 days. There's a whole criteria that goes on into FEIE. Not everybody is eligible because you have to beat the test. So these are their two tests, and there to get the FEIE. And then so when you take the FEIE, technically what you're saying is this is an exclusion from your U.S. taxes. So up to 130,000, 140,000, depending on what year you're talking about, this amount can be deducted from your tax return. So you report the income, but you will get the deduction too, and then that includes the housing too. So FEIE will just literally will be make an adjustment to your income, and then you'll be left amount if there's any amount for taxable income or not. That's really how the FEIE works. What's this foreign tax credit? Foreign tax credit technically means that you have paid taxes to a foreign government, and then now you're claiming taxes, those taxes that you have paid as a foreign credit on your U.S. return. So that's what foreign tax credit means. Normally, if you are in a country which has a higher tax rate than the United States, in cases where it's Canada and Europe, majority of places out there, you will more likely will be claiming FTC, which is foreign tax credit, versus FEIE. In places where there is no tax, let's say, for example, Middle East, or no personal tax, so those countries, a lot of people take FEIE because you are not paying any tax on that income that you're earning. So FEIE, FTC, this is what is happening depending on what part of the world you are, where you are, and where you're earning the income from. So in a case where, so now let's get to the answer, where can you contribute can you contribute to your Roth while earning foreign income, right? Can you do this? And then, so if you claim FEIE, technically you cannot contribute. You cannot contribute, to a Roth IRA account. The only way you can contribute to your Roth is if you're claiming FTC, which is foreign tax credit. So if you claim foreign tax credit against the income that you earned from foreign countries, that's the only way you can put money into the Roth IRA account. If you claim FEIE, you're not eligible to make Roth contributions. So again, FTC, Roth contribution, yes. FEIE, Roth contributions, no. So so again, if you earn foreign earned income, which is technically employment, wages, commission, and if you claim FTC, that's the only time you can put money into your Roth. So that's one of the biggest differences. This is one of our blogs on our website that you can go through. It has a whole lot of information. I just wanted to capture, because I get a lot of this question from a lot of Americans who are abroad. Hey, Mohammed, can we contribute to Roth? Hey, Mohammed, can we contribute to Roth? And then, so, of course, every situation is different. I have to go through them, see what they're doing, how they're claiming, what taxes, what has been done in the past. And then, so this is something that, it's one of the main questions there. And, we have more things too, where can I withdraw money from abroad? It has this blog is really great, goes a lot of in detail in terms of how this should be. Of course, if you have foreign banks, FTC, FBAR 8938, it's also applicable. And then, so these are some of the I wanted to go on quickly with you guys, some of the things that were in the blog, some of the main questions that I get. This is one of the most frequent ones, which is can I contribute to Roth if I have foreign earned income? So the answer depends upon if you claim FEIE versus FTC. FEIE, if FEIE is equal to no Roth contributions, FTC equals to yes Roth contributions. Thank you.